YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a try it with me video. I have had the Kat Von D Fetish palette upstairs on my makeup table for like a month now, and I wanted to do a video on it today because it is actually on sale for like 50% off on Sephora.com. So instead of $63, it's $31.50, and the blush and highlighter palette is $21.50 instead of $43. So if you were at all interested but thought it was a little bit too expensive, I would say pick it up. I picked it up when Kat Von D had like 40% off everything on her site, so I didn't get it from Sephora. I got it from Kat Von D's website, so I didn't pay $63 for it either. This is what it looks like on the inside. So this is what the colors look like, and I have been hearing like mixed reviews on this palette. We're going to try it out for ourselves. I have not touched it, as you can see. What I do like about this is all the detail that she puts into her palettes. This is actual thread that the word fetish is spelled out in, and it's like one of her tattoos but just stitched onto the palette. On the back, of course, you have the names of the shades, and the names of the shades, as you saw before, are also on the inside of the palette, even though I have it upside down. I think that what I'm going to do today is like stick on this corner right here. I want to try some red, something that's going to go with my sweatshirt, because I normally do like safe bronzes and browns. So I want to go with something that is a little more, a little different, a little outside of my comfort zone. The first thing that, I don't even think I'm going to do that. I was going to say that I was going to swatch it. I'm just going to go ahead and start the eyeshadow look. I'm going to grab me a makeup wipe here. I already did my brows. So this one right here is a little bit wonky. I didn't even bring a brow pencil down here, so I can't even fix it. And I used this Ruby Kisses 3D face creator to sort of shape my brows and to use as an eyeshadow base. So my eyes, sorry, my monitor is over here. So my lids sort of look like one uniform color because I have some darkness on my lids. So what I am going to do is, I have my makeup brushes from upstairs, and I'm going to use the Sigma E50 Large Fluff, and I'm going to take the shade Safe Word, which is this matte shade here, and I'm going to use it all over my lids to set the lids, and then I'm going to go in with the rest of the look. I did bring like a mascara down here to finish. I don't have an eyeliner, so I'm going to be using one of the eyeshadows as an eyeliner. And we're going to get started. Taking my glasses off. I also have the Kat Von D mirror, which I use every single day. And so far, the brush picks up a lot of the eyeshadow, and it does have some fallout on the palette, or some kick up on the palette, but this is what Safe Word is looking like on my lid. Which is okay. It's a little bit rosy, but it's okay for the look that I'm going to be going for today. And what I am going to do is, now that I have this base down, this is just going to be a sort of, I'm just going to speed the video up the rest of the way, and we will get started.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning. strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
Alright, so that is pretty much it for the shadows. I am going to put on my mascara and do the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back. Alright, so this is my finished look. I like it. Probably could have done more with it, but I like it for just kicking around the house and doing my YouTube videos. I did decide though that I am going to be doing some swatches, so I'll just add like little clips at the end of the video to show you the different shades. And like I said, it is on sale now on Sephora.com as of this morning. Today is September. Today is November the 25th. So as of November the 25th, and I'm going to be putting this video up today, it is. Alright, had to dump my memory card, but like I was saying, the video is going up today. As of today, this palette is on sale on Ulta.com for $31.50. The blush highlighter palette that is similar to this is $21.50. And I am going to quickly put some clips at the end showing you the swatches of the eyeshadows. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have new videos coming out. Have a great day, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup. Bye.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here